Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling right-click or secondary click on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Trackpad. Select Point and Click at the top of the page if it's not already selected. You then want to check the checkbox to the left of Secondary Click. Click where it says Click with 2 fingers. You now have a few different options for how to activate the secondary or right click. You can choose Click with 2 fingers, Click in bottom right corner, or Click in bottom left corner. Choose the option that you prefer. Secondary click or right click is now enabled on your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.